Well, hImeartha le Laoch na hImeartha ortha ag AIB agus Helen hantu chun an brunna inver Fintan Burke ar cheann AIB. Agus Corson Bailder is glacum leis ach Fintan, congratulations first and foremost. You're into an All-Ireland final on St. Patrick's Day. Your initial reaction?
Yeah, look, I suppose we had a good first half with the breeze and then second half wasn't as good, but I suppose just lucky to get over the line in the end.
Tell us about that first half, because obviously maybe people at home didn't realise just how strong that breeze were. Did you feel you had enough of a cushion heading into that second half that you made the most of that breeze?
I suppose we had a lot of wides in the first kind of 15 minutes of the first half, but I don't think you ever really have enough of a lead kind of, you know, so we knew they were going to throw everything at us, like it was just a matter of trying to hold it out.
That second half, as you mentioned yourself, maybe not the as good a performance as the first half, but you certainly showed a lot of character to dig in, because Rory Oakes certainly came at you with all guns blazing. 1-3 without reply at one stage in that second half. You had to dig deep.
Yeah, look, we kind of said coming up to the match, and even at half time, like they were always going to get the purple batch. I think every team kind of does. So we said, like, they're going to get their few scores, but the trick is not to panic, like, and just dig your heels in.
Talking to your manager before the game, and there was talk of 2016, but there was also talk of 2013. Hopefully now you've gotten over the 2016, but it's all about 2013, trying to emulate what was achieved in 2013 and bring that trophy back to Neve Tomas.
Yeah, I suppose 2016 we didn't do ourselves justice, like, kind of, you know, we didn't really show up, and although we were lucky kind of in the end, like, but yeah, I suppose a lot of us were, I think nearly half the panel were young lads looking in 2013, so it's always nice to win yourself.
And even nicer when you've got a few brothers and a few cousins on the team beside you.
Yeah, it makes it that small bit sweeter, alright, yeah.
Enjoy the celebrations, Fintan. Cóchardachas san tibh stig go canis na hair. Gur magat.
Thank you.